Boston Ground, Emirates 237. We're holding short of 15 right. Request to fire services. We have a engine fire.
Roger. 237 Heavy, Roger. Do you want to continue taxiing or are you going to stop there?
Stand by, Emirates 237. Okay, we're going to cross runway 15 right if that's available, Emirates 237.
Emirates 237 Heavy, turn right on runway 33 left and hold short of Zulu if able.
Okay, turn right onto runway 33 left and hold short of Zulu, Emirates 237.
You said an engine fire, and which engine?
Okay, our left engine is showing a fire, Emirates 237.
Emirates 237 Heavy, Roger. Equipment is responding. There is nothing visible from the tower. Equipment is responding.
Okay, thanks very much.
It's 237 Heavy. When able, I need the amount of fuel on board and number of people on board.
Okay, fuel is 9.2 tons and standby POB. Emirates 237, we got 374 POB.
374, thank you. Emirates 237 flames are visible. Flames are visible.
Thanks very much, Emirates 237.
Logan, come in. You can proceed on to runway 15 right.
Boston, Emirates 237, just confirming this is the position you want us to stop.
Emirates 237 Heavy, that is fine. And if able, change to 121.75. The emergency equipment will be on that frequency, 0.75.
Okay, 121.75, Emirates 237.
And Emirates, this is the tower. There was flames coming out the back of the engine from the time you were on November to the position you were in now, and the tower doesn't see them anymore.
An oil problem since approach, and after we shut down the engine, we can see the flames through our onboard camera. However, we have no fire warning on board. All right, Chief, please be advised. Engine number 2 is still running. It's still on.
And number 2 engine is running. We'll let you know if we need any further action.
Emirates 237. Fire Commander, Emirates 237.
Go ahead.
Okay, our intention then is for the fires now extinguished to taxi to our bay once you have cleared the vehicles.
Emirates 237, we're going to recommend you hold in position. We have an active fuel leak also coming out of the number 1 engine. I have our port operation people going to attempt to contact your maintenance.
Okay. Okay, thanks for that. In that case, we'll be shutting down and holding in this position, Emirates 237.
Okay, 237. I'm going to coordinate with our local port operations people as far as getting some cleanup crews out here. Is everyone on board A-OK?
A-firm, everything's A-OK on board the aircraft, Emirates 237. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Any indications in the cockpit as far as fire emergency lights going on?
Negative. We didn't get a fire warning or any lights. The only thing we have is very strong smell of engine oil / fuel. Emirates 237. Ground, Emirates 237.
Emirates 237 Heavy, ground.
Okay, the fire commander told us that he's extinguished the fire. We are going to have to hold in this position because he stated that there is a fuel leak that is going to need fixing / cleaning up. So we've shut down both engines and we're holding in this position, waiting for the fire commander to coordinate.
Emirates 237 Heavy, Roger. Thank you for the heads up.
Emirates 237 from Logan Command.
Emirates 237, go ahead.
Hey, just an update from the ground. I believe you met with the company. We still have an active fuel leak. We're going to try to get that stopped. We can't have you taxi down the taxiway with the fuel leak. Can I get a passenger count also?
Okay, no worries. We've got all our engines shut down and the passenger count. It's a crew of 19, passengers 355 for a total on board of 374.
374. Everyone's doing okay?
Everyone is fine. Emirates 237.
Okay, Emirates 237. We do have, if there's going to be a delay in the fuel repair, we'll have one of our emergency spare trucks standing by. We could bring everybody off the buses and bring them to the terminal. That way, if there's going to be a delay and there's any type of problems in the cabin.
Okay, that sounds very good. Keep us informed as to whether you suggest we should do that, Emirates 237.
Okay. Emirates 237 from Logan Command.
Go ahead, sir.
Just wondering on that number 1 engine, is all fuel shut off because we're still getting a leak through the cowling onto the ground?
Everything. We even pulled the engine fire handle, which cuts off the spar valve and everything. So there's no fuel being fed to the engine at this time.
Okay, that's what I thought. Thank you. We're continuing cleanup, and we're going to make a decision about with your maintenance if we can stop that leak. If not, we're going to have to deplane and bring everybody in.
All right, we'll stand by.
Thank you. Emirates 237 from Logan Command.
Emirates 237, go ahead.
We have another crew in now putting some more speedy dry. We did speak to your maintenance. They're thinking that that's residual fuel in the engine. We're going to give it about another 10 minutes so we don't have to deplane. We could bring everyone to the gate. It does appear like the fuel is slowing down at this time.
Okay, thanks so much for the update. That sounds like a great plan.
City Ambulance Service here, Boston EMS. We need any medical attention, they'll be able to assist.
Okay, thanks for that. But at this stage, all our passengers are comfortable and we have no issues on board.
Comfortable, no issues, thank you. Air Emirates 237 from Logan Command.
Go ahead, Emirates 237.
The fuel leak is very small right now, practically stopped. Your maintenance guys are working on it. It's going to take us a little while, but we're going to turn around and we're going to taxi you in.
Okay, thanks very much for that.